back to my channel. Lani here, and today I'm going to be doing a makeup video for you guys. So I have this beautiful dress right here, and it's a rock star dress, and I want to do a rock star look on my face with this beautiful makeup I have. Before we get started, smash that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give me a huge thumbs up. So let's get started. First guys, I'm going to show you all the makeup I have here. So this is kind of what the makeup I have. I have this palette with beautiful bright colors, and there's 24. Then I have this eyeshadow palette where 18 shades of eyeshadow. I have liquid shadow, I have mascara and eyeliner. I have these two black brushes, guys, for the big palette. And I have these brushes for the eyeshadow. And last but not least, the lipstick. It's a beautiful shade, and it's kind of a hot pink. So guys, I'm going to be doing the video for you guys subscribe to Milana's Dollhouse. So let's get started. So first off, I'm going to be doing the eyeshadow on my face. So I'm going to be doing like a purple and blue. I don't know guys, but think about which color is a rock star. Since my dress is purple, kind of purple and pink, I'm gonna be doing a purple theme on my eyes. So I have these two black brushes, and I'm gonna use this one. It has two tips. So now I'm gonna be using this glittery shade, this dark purple, and this kind of light shade of purple. So first, I'm going to be doing the glittery shade, which is the shade I showed you. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of the shade because you don't want too much. So then, guys, I'm going to just be putting it on my eye. And you want to put it carefully on your eye so it's not too dark and not too light. So then when you put it on the first eye, it should look like this. And it's like a light purple, but on the palette it's dark because I only put a little bit at a time. So this is the palette. So then I'm going to use the same color on the other eye, just a little bit of it so it's not too dark and not too light. So this is the first eye. Now I'm going to do the second eye of it. And when you do the second eye, you want to kind of be careful as you can with the second eye too. Both eyes need to be careful. And so they both look good, similar, and they're very beautiful, you guys. Now I'm going to be doing the mascara. And if you guys like this look on my eyes, please give me a huge thumbs up. Now I'm going to be doing the mascara, which is a beauty mascara, and it's a little mascara. Here's the brush, and I'm gonna be putting it on my upper eyelash. And you want to be careful so you don't put too much and too, I don't know. So then we're going to do the second eye. So then when you do the second eye and the both eye, you want to kind of look at yourself to see if you got a little bit on the top which when you blink, it will give you a little bit on the top, so you kind of want to wipe it. Then next, guys, I want to kind of do the blush, and for the blush, I'm maybe not going to do it right now, but next I'm going to be doing a little lighter shade with the eyeshadow on top, like a very glittery shade. So I have this brush right here, and I have this other brush right here. So I think I'm gonna be using this brush right here to put some glittery shades on my upper eye. So this only has 18 eyeshadows, and the other one has 24. So this is the beautiful colors. And think what your favorite color on this eyeshadow palette is. My favorite color is probably this color, and about silver and this dark purple. So the color I'm going to be using is the dark purple. So I want to probably get just a little bit. So I'm going to be using this color right here on the edge. And I'm kind of just going to have to do and rub. And I have a little bit on my brush. And now I kind of want to put it on top of the shade I already did, so it looks a little bit darker and not so light. So then I kind of just want to put just a little bit at a time, so it doesn't really give it the darkest shade it has. And guys, it doesn't look really different when you put a darker shade. Sometimes it does, but this one's it looks really dark, but it's actually like light. So then this is the first that I put a little bit of this darker shade on it. And so I'm just gonna rub it again and put it on this eye. Every time I put this eye first because it's a little bit easier for me to kind of do it. And I wanna like put it on top, and this one's a little bit has a little bit of glitter, and the other one has just no glitter, and you need glitter to look fabulous. So guys, I kind of did that dark shade, and it looks so beautiful. Then I kind of want to do the lips next, and I have this shade of lipstick. And it's very beautiful. It's like a hot pink shade. And I never used this lipstick before and is new. So then I kind of just want to put it on my lips. You see that shade, guys? It's very beautiful, and it's lighter than what the lipstick says because our lips are a little bit lighter, so it gives it a light shade. And so that's how it is on both lips. And when you kind of rub it, it doesn't really get on the lip on top. So guys, if it gets on your skin, you just want to kind of wipe it. And that's how it looks. So I got a little bit on this skin, so I kind of wipe it off. So that's how it looks, guys. It's very beautiful. So if you like this rock star look, give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. So bye, guys. If you like this look it, guys. It looks so beautiful. This is my rock star look for my makeup. So here it is, guys. Bye, guys. Love you. Mwah.